Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a container div and placing an img element and a text block inside it. This sets the structural foundation. Once done, give the container a class and write basic CSS. Display flex or grid, gap, and padding. Make sure to set the img max width, 100% and height, auto so it scales. You also want to add alt text and semantic tags. These steps prepare the document for responsive styling and accessible markup before you style alignment. Once the structure exists, switch to display. Flex or grid to position items side by side. Use align item center to vertically align. For proportions, set flex basis or grid template columns such as 40%, 60%, or 200px auto so the image and text keep intended sizes. Make sure to add padding and object fit. Cover for consistent image cropping. Finally, include media queries to stack elements on narrow screens. This keeps readability and preserves the layout across devices. To finish, refine spacing, font sizes, and hover/focus states. These small touches improve perception and usability. Once polished, test on desktop, tablet, and phone to confirm breakpoints trigger correctly. If you need the image to remain fixed height, use object fit and set overflow hidden. If things go wrong, like overlap or wrapping, first check box sizing, total width percentages, and any max width or padding that pushes elements beyond 100%. Adjust flex or grid fractions and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.